Hello, in this video we're going to show you how to pair the Noise Shots Neo 2 True Wireless Earphones to a smartphone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that the Bluetooth connection on your device is on. So let's do that very fast. There we are, turning on Bluetooth, and I will additionally also go to the Bluetooth settings page, and I'm going to stay right there. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift the cover of the Noise Shots Neo 2 charging case, and you will see that this LED marker over here blinking red and green. This means that the device is now in pairing mode. So all we have to do now is look for the particular device. So I'm going to search for available devices, and there you are. I'm getting Shots Neo 2 right here. So I'm going to click on Shots Neo 2. It's showing pairing, pair with Shots Neo 2, pair, and we're now paired. And it supports AAC codec as well, and that's how you connect your smartphone to the Noise Shots Neo 2 True Wireless Earphones. Thank you for watching.